Look closely, and you'll find it almost everywhere coated. A polished comb resting quietly on a simple bathroom shelf. A gleaming knife handle sits in a kitchen drawer, its smooth white horn surface catching soft afternoon light. A pair of horn buttons rests on a tailored coat, smooth and pale, quietly elegant against fine fabric stitching. Few people ever wonder where this gleaming surface truly comes from, or what industrial journey shaped it first.
It's called white horn, sourced from one of the most striking cattle breeds on Earth, Prigtuing, the Brahman bull.
This material has quietly shaped the world of luxury goods for centuries, prized for its smooth, pale beauty. White horn is valued for its strength, natural sheen, and its ability to be shaped where plastic can't. Designers prize white horn for jewelry, eyewear frames, furniture inlays, musical instrument fittings, and high-end fashion accessories. Its natural variation means no two pieces are ever truly identical, exactly why luxury brands seek it out. Brahman bulls, known for their pale, almost ivory-toned horns, produce some of the most sought-after raw horn material. Because supply is limited and demand keeps rising, turning raw horn into product requires genuine industrial-scale facilities. Every morning, trucks arrive at the facility's receiving yard, carrying crates of raw horn sourced from the region. Forklifts lift the heavy crates of raw horn, moving them steadily from the receiving yard toward the sorting hall.
Bay 3 is clear. Move sequence alpha. Confirmed. Adjusting speed now.
Conveyor lifts carry the raw horn crates upward and onward, feeding them steadily into the busy sorting hall.
Each batch of raw horn is logged, weighed, and traced back to its origin before entering the production line.
Rotating drums tumble the raw horn against mild abrasives, gently removing grease and residue from every surface. From there, horns move into drying chambers, where controlled airflow slowly stabilizes the material's natural moisture content. Digital sensors track temperature and humidity inside the drying chamber, ensuring the horn stabilizes evenly and completely. Workers monitor the washing line closely, ensuring every trace of surface residue is cleared from the raw horn. Done correctly, the horn becomes clean, dry, and fully ready for the transformation process that follows next.
Once dried, each horn is measured and sorted carefully by size, thickness, and subtle natural color tone.
Skilled operators guide the horns through bandsaws, sectioning them into precise, workable production blocks and pieces.
Each cut horn section is sorted by its intended purpose, guiding it toward its own unique production pathway. Collected offcuts are ground into fine horn powder, preparing them for a completely new composite production process. Horn powder is blended with natural binders, forming composite sheets later used for larger accessory production runs. This is the moment raw material stops looking like a byproduct and starts becoming the beginning of something real. The cut horn sections are heated inside controlled steam chambers, softening the naturally rigid material until pliable. While still warm, the horn is pressed into steel molds under intense hydraulic pressure, shaping its final form. The hydraulic mold shapes the horn precisely, capturing the exact curves and contours of the final intended design. For flatter items like combs or button blanks, heated presses flatten and laminate the softened horn into sheets. Once cooled, the shaped horn material hardens permanently, locking its new form firmly into place across each piece.
Layers of softened horn are laminated together under heat, forming consistent sheets ready for smaller product cutting.
Cooling locks in a smooth, glass-like surface, the defining feature of every high-quality finished horn product piece. With the core shapes now formed, The pieces move steadily onward toward the factory's busy assembly floor. Precision machines fit metal hardware into horn jewelry mounts, joining each component with careful, exact alignment. Precision machines fit metal hardware into horn jewelry mounts, joining each component with careful, exact alignment. Adhesive stations apply food-safe, industrial-grade bonding agents exactly where needed on each horn component piece. Automated clamps hold each component in perfect alignment, keeping horn pieces steady while the adhesive fully cures. Workers examine each piece carefully, checking for cracks, discoloration, or any surface flaws before final approval.
Calibrated sensors measure the thickness and symmetry of each horn piece, ensuring consistent, precise product quality. Rejected horn material is recycled into smaller components, ensuring nothing produced at the facility goes to waste.
This inspection stage ensures every product leaving the factory meets the exacting standard that luxury buyers expect.
Approved products move into the packaging hall, where robotic arms wrap each delicate horn piece with care.
Foam inserts cradle each horn piece securely, protecting delicate surfaces throughout the packaging and shipping process ahead.
Labels are applied precisely to each package, identifying the finished horn product ready for retail distribution.
Batch codes are printed onto each package, allowing every horn product to be tracked through the supply chain. Each finished item is sealed inside a branded box, fully prepared and ready for retail shelves worldwide. Automated stackers arrange boxes with careful precision, securing each pallet with shrink wrap for safe transport. The finished pallets are moved into a vast warehouse, where forklifts guide them onto multi-level steel racking. Multi-level steel racking holds countless pallets of horn products, organized carefully across the vast warehouse space. An inventory system tracks stock levels in real time, ensuring every horn product batch stays fully accounted for. Pallets are pulled carefully from storage racks, staged and ready for dispatch toward the loading docks. When orders are confirmed, pallets are moved to the loading docks, ready for transport out of the factory.
Keep pushing, make sure it's secure against the wall. All right, bring the next one up.
The once raw material Clueless, cleaned, shaped, inspected, and packaged huni now begins its final journey out of the factory. Weeks later, those same products appear on the shelves of boutiques, department stores, and specialty accessory shops.
The finished horn products travel steadily toward the global marketplace, carrying weeks of careful craftsmanship within them.
Rows of finished horn products rest on modern shelves, ready to catch the eye of passing customers. But now you know the truth. Behind every polished surface lies raw material, craftsmanship, and industrial precision combined. A global supply chain works quietly in the background, turning something raw into something truly beautiful and lasting.